How to reverse a video clip in Kdenlive. First of all, open your Kdenlive project and choose the video clip you want to reverse from the timeline. Next, right-click on the clip and select Change Speed from the menu. A small window will appear with speed and direction options. To reverse the video, simply click the box labeled Reverse Clip. You can also adjust the speed percentage here if you want the reversed clip to play faster or slower. Once you are done, click OK to apply the changes. Now, the clip on your timeline will play in reverse. Use the project monitor to preview it and make sure it looks smooth within your edit. If needed, reposition or trim the clip so it fits perfectly with the rest of your video. And that's it. Now you know how to reverse a video clip in Kdenlive. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.